In this video, I am going to show you how you can claim your docs token. Now, what I'm going to say before I start is that make sure you watch the video from the start to the end before you try. If you are in hurry, don't watch this video. But if you want to receive your tokens, watch this video. Take your time, watch from the start to the end before you come again and watch to follow the steps. Okay, because if you don't take your time, you're going to lose your tokens forever. Okay, so all your hard work will be in vain, and I don't want that. So take your time, watch the video. I'm going to walk you through the process. I'm going to use two platforms, OKX and Bybit, because that's what it's in there. I will even try Telegram or wallet as well. Okay, so if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, leave a comment at the comment section, give me a like, follow me on X, and join my Telegram channel. All right, when you check the first comment, you're going to see my top 15 Telegram crypto project. Make sure you join up. Now there's no time to waste, let's get into it. The first thing to do is to create your account on the SEX exchanges or the centralized exchanges, okay, which is Bybit, Binance, OKX, and others. Okay, for us, we are going to withdraw or claim our tokens to Bybit and OKX. So you should be having a Bybit account or OKX account. You get it? So I'll leave the link to the Bybit. If you want to create an account, I'll leave the link to it so that you can create the account. If you want to use OKX, I'll leave the link as well so you can create an account there. If you're in Nigeria, India, yours is OKX. All right, but if you are in Ghana and other stuff, you can use any exchanges that you want. You understand? Because OKX is banned in Nigeria. All right, so now create your account. Make sure you do your KYC verification, where you'll be using your ID card to make the verification. When you are done, you come back here. Okay, so now just click on deposit to exchanges. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that, and you can see we have three options here. So we have exchanges, we have wallet in Telegram, and we have non-custodial wallet. So I am going to first click on the exchanges, which is the first one over here. This one, I'm just going to click on that and click continue. So you can see we have two options here. Please take your time and watch this video. Don't be in a hurry, don't be in a rush. All right, so it's either you choose OKX or you choose Bybit, right? So I am going to start with OKX. So I'm just going to click send here. If you have OKX account, just click yes, I have it, because I'll leave the link at the description, so you can just click and create it before you come back to this video. So I am taking it as if you already have an account. Okay, so yes, I have it. All right, so we need to add our OKX user ID, then our docs deposit address, then we add our memo or our tag or comment. Okay, so that name depends on the platform, the exchange that you are using. Some uses tags, some uses memo, some uses comment. All right, so we are going straight to OKX. So this is my OKX account. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on this. Okay, I'm going to click on this dotted design over here. I'm just going to click on that. All right, so I am going to click on my profile over here. Okay, all right, so you can see this is my user ID. Okay, this is it. So I just have to copy my user ID from here. Just copy it, then I'm just sending it here, so paste it over there. So that's my user ID, right? So we need to add our docs deposit address. So back to OKX, then we have to go back. All right, so now what we have to do is just have to click on deposit crypto. Okay, just click on deposit. All right, then you have to search for docs over here. So you just have to click here and search for docs. So yes, so this is docs. So just going to click on that. So now just have to click on this, and the minimum you can deposit is this, and you have 50 confirmation. That's interesting. So just click on that. All right, so comment is required. Okay, all right, so now this is the deposit address. This is it, this one. Okay, so you just have to click here to copy it. So I'm going to just click there to copy back to this section. So I'm just going to paste it over here. Okay, so then I'm going back to OKX. Then I'm going to copy this comment. Okay, this comment, just copy it. Okay, you just click here to copy it, that's all. So copy it back here, then I'm going to paste it at the memo section. So I copied the comment to the memo section. Oh, all right, so now I am done. All I have to do is just click on send. Okay, then this is it, confirm withdrawal of 57,800. that's my docs. Okay, so this is the details. You can cross check the details again and make sure you have KYC verified on OKX. Okay, and then after that you can click on I confirm, then your docs will be withdrawn. And please don't expect to receive it just now, because the distribution or the TGE will be done on the 20th of August. All right, so when you withdraw it, you are not going to see it on your OKX account. You are going to see it on the 20th of August. So that is it. So this is it. So this is for the Bybit. Sorry, this is for the OKX. Let's go straight to the Bybit. I'm going back. Okay, so exchanges again, continue. Then I'm going to choose Bybit. Then click send here. So if you're in Nigeria and other like India too, you can use Bybit. All right, so click. I already have an account, because I'll leave the link at the description. Just click on it and just download it. If you don't know how to create an account with these two, when you search on Google right now, you get on YouTube, you're going to get tons of videos on how to create an account from them. Right, so just click on yes, I have it. So that's it. Then we are going to do same in Bybit. So I'm going to open my Bybit app, which is this. All right, so I am just going to click here. Okay, all right, so now as you can see, this is my user ID. All right, so I'm just going to click on this this small thing here. Okay, yes, to copy it. So I'm going to just click on that, and you can see copied successfully. So back to docs, so I'm going to paste it at the Bybit user ID over there. Okay, so back to Bybit again. Then we are going to, let's go back first. Now we are going to copy our deposit address. Okay, so all we have to do is we have to just click on deposit. All right, then we can see the deposit over here, deposit buy with fiat or something like that. Okay, now listen, make sure it is in the exchange, not in the web3. If you put it in the web3, it will be your problem. Just go to exchange. Okay, yes, so that is it. Yes, it better still, you can come to the asset section. Okay, to make the deposit, come to the asset section. Okay, click on asset, then you can see deposit over here. Okay, you just have to click on deposit. Then we have deposit crypto, which is at the last one, deposit crypto. So you just have to click on that. So we have to search for docs over here. So I'm going to just search for docs. So this is it. So this is docs. So I have to just click on docs. All right, so I just have to click on that. Okay, and that is all. Now you can see that at this section it is memo slash tag slash comment slash note slash remark. So you can use any of these words, right? So I'm going to copy my deposit address, which is this, the wallet address. I'm just going to click here to copy it. So I'm just going to click there, copy it back here. Then I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, back to this section. Then I'm going to click on my tag. Okay, to copy the tag. So I'm just going to click here to copy the tag or the memo. Okay, so I'm going to click there to copy it back here. Then I'm going to paste it at the memo section. It is very, very important. If you don't add it, you are going to lose it. So I'm going to click on send. So you just have to scan through. If the details are correct, then you click on I confirm. For me, I'll be using OKX. Okay, so at the end of the video, I'm going to use OKX to withdraw mine so that you'll see. All right, so that is it. So back here, back. So that's all for the exchange. You have 2 exchanges for now. They'll be adding more. All right, and let's go with the wallet in Telegram, which is this one. which is this one. Okay, I'm just going to click. In case you want to withdraw to that place, I'm going to show you the process. All right, so I'm just going to click on wallet in Telegram and click on continue. And you can see, do you have an account with wallet in Telegram? Yes, I have an account. Okay, so open in Telegram, or open wallet in Telegram. So now it has opened it, and you can see wallet/docs. Okay, so let me just click on continue. So I'm just going to fill this information very quick. All right, so after I filled the information and clicked send, so this is what happened. Verification complete. Please return to docs to complete any remaining steps. So I'm going to return to docs. Okay, which is this, and it says wallet to Telegram in Telegram. You will receive your docs before the listing. This is from the wallet in Telegram. All right, just click yep, keep going, and you just have to click I confirm withdrawal of this number of docs. Then you click yes, I confirm over here, and it will be withdrawn to your Telegram wallet in Telegram. All right, so for me, I'm going to use OKX. I'm going back again, back to the exchange. Okay, click continue and start the process on OKX again, but I'll be very fast this time. So I'm just going to click send here. All right, I have it. So asset, deposit crypto, docs tone. Okay, copy deposit address, back to docs, paste it. All right, so down here, back here, copy my comment here, paste it here, go back here, go back, OKX, this dotted design, come to my profile, copy my user ID, back here, paste it over here. Okay, then I'm going to click send. Then I have to walk through and see if everything is okay. Everything is okay for me. I'm going to click I confirm, and deposit is in process. Now be ready for the listing on August 20th. Then just click on woof, and that is all. You can see withdrawing over here. You understand? So basically, this is how you can withdraw your tokens to OKX, Bybit, and wallet in Telegram. So when you are withdrawing your docs to Bybit, OKX, or any centralized exchange and wallet in Telegram, you are not going to pay any gas fee. Okay, you are not going to pay any gas fee. That's a latest update. Okay, but if you want to withdraw it to Tonkeeper, that's where you are going to pay a gas fee. Okay, that is a decentralized exchange. Okay, make sure you check the first comment. You are going to see my top 15 Telegram crypto project. Make sure you join, or give me a like, leave a comment at the comment section. Make sure you follow me on X and join my Telegram channel. Please subscribe for more updates. All right, on the 20th, I'll make a video on how you can withdraw to your mobile money or to your local bank. All right, so that is it. So please take your time, watch the video to the end before you try. I keep on saying this, so don't come and blame me for losing your coins or your token if you do any mistake. All right, so thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.